So in this example, we have a data set about passenger details. You can see his personal information in this table. There's around 36,000 rows in this table. And one of the common tasks that we want to do is to see if any of the data point that has been invalidly inserted in this table, if the email addresses or postal code are not in the correct format or not. So basically, we want to have a validator implemented to check the quality of the data. Maybe we want to just clean it. This is a hard task to do because to implement such a validator, we need to know about the internationalization standard for that particular piece of information. For example, email, etc., postal code, etc. And for that reason, we are using JavaScript implementation inside the database. And how we use that is that we use a common, very popular JavaScript open source package, the validator.js, and we build a stored function, JavaScript stored function in MySQL. It takes into arguments. One is the type of validation. For example, if you want to implement or validate emails, postal code, etc. And the other one is the string itself. And it returns basically a Boolean. It tells us if it's valid or not. All of the code inside it is JavaScript. And what we see here is that apart from the validators that we wanted, it gives us a large list of validators that we can use: email addresses, URLs, IP addresses, credit card numbers, ISSNs, IBANs, CREM, mobile phone numbers, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and load this stored function. And then we can give it a try. Just give it as is URL google.com. Yes, it's valid. Is URL invalid? Email address URL, it doesn't work. Similarly, credit card, this is an invalid credit card, etc. So now how about we use this on using a query on our passenger details. So what we want to do is to find out how many of these email addresses that we have are not valid. So this is, so we all have around 2,470 invalid email addresses, and you can see why that is. And of course, this can be something that we want to do is like remove all these rows. That's also possible with this use case. So thank you.